Don't make, you know, the paying part the obstacle to hang out with that person. What's up, mga goy? Welcome to a new episode of Girl Light Night Talks. Tonight we're gonna talk about who pays on dates. I'm going to take over because this guy is speechless. Okay, back to you, Emil.
What are we going to talk about?
Who pays on dates?
Who pays on dates? Of course, the guys.
Okay, go pay on dates.
No, I think, yeah, at first, if you're still on like the stage of getting to know each other, most of the time, guys will invite the girl. So it's our responsibility to treat them, take care of them every time we invited them. So it's our responsibility to take care of the bill, just to make sure that you're comfortable and everything, since I invited you.
Oh, why did I pay on our first date? Just kidding.
Sure.
No. That was my treat.
I paid the first.
You paid the first date?
Yeah.
Was it a date?
No, I just hijacked you.
Yeah, he hijacked me. On our first date, I was on the airport to Sri Lanka for my vacation. And then, this guy knew about my flight. So, he was at the airport waiting for me and said, hey, I'm gonna treat you to Burger King. So that, like, before you go. And then, yeah, okay, fine. And he paid for it. I offered. This is where we differ. Because he says that guys should pay for the bill. But for me, no. Even if you invite me, my instinct would be to pay half. Or pay for what I eat.
Yeah, I mean, of course, if you insist, then it's gonna be annoying if I will like insist also to pay the whole bill. Of course, if you insist, okay, we'll pay half, like that.
It's nice that you paid for the food. It's nice that you paid for the bill. It's just that I don't want you that time, because it was our first, you know, date. I didn't want him to think that that is what I'm after, or you know, I'm easy girl. So I said, okay, next time it's my treat. So the next time it was my treat na.
Yeah. Now, like, we're in this like this stage of relationship, like stable. Who pays now?
It's also like we have.
We have.
Ideally, we have. But then if I have cravings, let's say I wanna eat tom yum, or I wanna eat, you know, some like steak, then he's not.
Steak.
Whatever.
We only had one steak.
Tuna steak, whatever. I wanted to eat something that is not, you know, it's not in the plan. So I would tell him, okay, I will treat you, because I understand he has a budget. I have a budget. I have R&R budget. So okay, I'm gonna treat you na lang. So that, because I enjoy his company, I want him to be there while I'm eating yummy food.
So just don't invite them because you want them to pay.
Yeah.
Even though you're in a relationship, like a stable relationship, but yeah, I know there are some guys or girls want their partner to treat them, you know, just to feel something, you know, special,
yeah,
or what.
It would be nice.
It would be nice, yeah.
Yeah.
But just don't do it like always or permanently. Maybe you can also treat your partner, like, you know, alternate.
Yeah, I mean, for girls, especially me, who love food and love most especially free food, I love it when you treat me. But you know, I also understand that we are here to work and to save money.
Exactly.
So when we go out to eat, we always do give our share to each other, like for what we consume. It's also for the same for him. Even when we were starting, I always insist on like paying half, or it's an instinct for me, like, hey, how much do I owe, or how much do I have to give?
Yeah, as far as I remember, like after third, fourth date, like we always pay half bill. Like every time we go out. So the only like I think the first and the second date are the one
You wanted to impress me. And I wanted to impress you. No, just kidding. Yeah, like no, of course. The second date was because you treated me on the first date.
Yeah, you just returned the favor.
Yeah, I just returned the favor. Anyway, guys, if you really enjoy your time with your partner, and you know, I mean, with someone that you want to go out with and eat with, don't make, you know, the paying part the obstacle to hang out with that person. So there are guys who would say, I really want to spend time with this girl, but then I don't have the money to spend. I don't have the money to treat her somewhere nice or bring her somewhere nice.
I think that's where the guys being torpe. Maybe because maybe it's one of the reason that's why they can't they don't have the confidence to invite this certain girl that they like, because they don't have the money to spend on. So
girls, I know we all love free, but you know,
freeloader.
if you enjoy the time and you enjoy the food, just at least, you know, give a little bit of share, because you know we're all struggling.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's,
we work hard. Like we both work hard for that every penny that we have. So
yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, that's it, mga goy.
Okay, you do the closing also.
Okay. We hope we enlightened you and we guided you on who pays the bill and how can you enjoy your time with your partner. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment anything that you want us to talk about in the next topic. And see you next time. Bye!
I think it's better that you will do the opening and closing.
Okay, I will do.
Bye!